You ready? Stand by, focusing, initiating, sound speeds. Thanks a lot, Mom. You did a lot of good work, and here we is.
Thank you, Mom, for lying for me to get me out of trouble when I shoplifted.
Thank you, Mommy, for making my breakfast.
Thanks for teaching me to eat my fruits and vegetables.
Thank you, Mom, for giving me good looks.
Thank you for helping me with my homework.
For making me dance in front of your friends. For showing me punk music when I was young.
For my first SLR camera.
Thank you for buying me this t-shirt.
For keeping me out of jail. And thank you for taking care of me while I was in jail.
Thank you, Mom, for being a nut job and dancing spontaneously and having fun.
Thank you for teaching me how to laugh.
For never getting on to me about my beard.
For getting me out of trouble when I burnt down a forest.
For teaching me the tune of life.
For letting me love you.
For helping me appreciate the little things.
For standing by me no matter how many stupid choices I make. For always making me feel better.
Thanks for teaching me how to love.
For taking care of me my whole life.
For not giving up on me when I ran away.
For teaching me how to make mistakes.
For always being the shoulder to cry on when I needed you.
For being my rock.
Thank you, Mom.
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 Merci, Maman.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. I love you.